गोंयांत IT हब जावपाची ताक आसा आनी ते दिशेन सरकाराची वाटचाल चल्ल्या हे पळोवन समाधान जाता म्हूण पर्रीकार उलयलो.
In IT sector at least, you will be seeing the policy tomorrow. We have worked out arrangement by which all the bureaucratic red tapeism is virtually brought down to very small component. So if someone is promised something, this is true for industries also. We are also coming out with industrial policy. For whatever is promised has to be delivered to him in reasonable time, with reasonable energy, and with very less hassles. So that once you are through, like that certificate which has been issued for a startup, it entitles him for a policy initiatives which are benefits which are there, and those can be cleared by one single committee, that's all. Then the rest, it's no file has gone to the finance department, all those things have been bypassed, and we have created special accounts so that once it's approved, the money comes directly through the department without any further assets.
Transiting for the conventional mining or tourism economies, we need to start moving towards tourism and IT related economies. So if it's a knowledge-based destination, if it's a knowledge-based hub, where we talk about getting IT and the right investments, the right high-tech companies down, the whole idea about the Goan diaspora, reverse migration, allowing the people through this policy to retain themselves in the state, if this ecosystem is met and we have the IT enablers creating this ease of doing business that we are doing, then a new ecosystem for IT is being created. And this is exactly the vision the state carries under Shri Manohar Parrikar.
Hi, I am Gajesh. I am 10 years old, and yeah, I have my own website. I also make chatbots and websites, and also made a chatbot for a company. Parvarim 5th.
Bureau Report, Prudent.